Hey guys, so I'm going to be installing this Pixie wig, and this is what the inside is looking like. I have not plucked it or anything, so this is what the front is looking like. So I'm going to use, because my wax stick finished, so I'm going to use some heat protectant. And remember, I said this is the one that I made, right? So you see how this flats comparing to the rest of the head. So we're going to work our way all the way around and get the front as flat as possible. Guys, if you can do this on don't do this on your hand, don't follow me. But yeah, we're gonna continue the process by just spraying some heat protectant and flatten the hair so we can lay the wig properly. You know, I can't see, but why my finger running the burn off. But I must wonder how me I go put on because my head looks so down. I'm gonna put it on. I'm gonna get it on. Okay? So I learned this from a lovely Jamaican girl. I think she's living in the United States. And she said no gatekeeping, so no gatekeeping. And I appreciate that. I really do. Because I know everybody right at this point can afford one wax stick if it is like, your first time maybe installing this wig. So to get your front, a flat front wig, it will do. Just get that heat protectant and I tell you, it does wonders. So I'm gonna show you what it looks like, So you see the difference? Y'all see the difference. Alright, so we're going to rest this a little bit. I'm not gonna pluck it or anything just yet. Anyways, we can't ever find the tweezer, so I'm gonna get down to the cane roll and be back. Alright, so once I finish, and the other to go. So we're on the last lap. Yeah. So stay tuned. So all done. Alright, so in the meantime, we're just gonna use some moisturizer. Moisturize yourself. Cool. Now we're gonna clean up the front parts of our face. I'm not sure if this expire, but it's called witch hazel. My God. I don't even know it smell, but alright. So we're just gonna wipe off the front of our face. See it? Our face not dirty. So we're just gonna remove any excessive product that was built up there. We're not throw the paper here. We are keeping. Allow it to dry and then proceed. So at this time, we just take off the wig cap to put on. So the wig cap that comes with it is a thick one. So we just gonna bore hole and then take it out. I always want it to look like this. So bore one hole and then go 2, and drag it over the ears. Right? And you should have a flat surface just like that. Cool. So that's the 360 you're looking for. So now I'm going to get my spray and I'm gonna go as close to the hairline as possible and allow it to dry. Once it dry, I'll be back. Because everything's saturated. So this is the second layer. Y'all see how my glue dry? Yeah. So I'm gonna put on the second layer and then that's gonna be it when I come back with the wig. Alright guys, so this is the first melt and yeah, that's what's going on. I'm gonna get my melting spray. What do you think? So me near the ear them on this, so as y'all know I carry these stuff cool. Should I meta about? Of course I'm gonna do some edges. What you talking about? Your girl I go do some edges. I know. I'm just gonna get the melting spray, so tomorrow in the morning or in the evening rather I'll come back. So stay tuned for now.